Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawaattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I want to talk about something that is near and dear to my heart. I love talking about love and relationships, but I also talk about law of attraction and how to manifest. So I'm going to be combining the two. I've been where you are. If you clicked on this video, then there is someone on your mind right now. It can be an ex, it could be a friend, it could be a relative. There is someone on your mind right now that you want to talk to, you want to fix things with. I'm not sure about what exactly happened to you, but you want to fix things, and that is totally understandable. As humans, we are not perfect. You're not perfect. The person on your mind isn't perfect. A lot of us go through childhood trauma. We don't know how to communicate. We don't know how to show our emotions. There are a list of things that could go wrong as to why you and your person isn't talking right now. But the good thing about all of this is we are the co-creators of our own life, and there can be a different outcome to your story if you listen to what I'm about to tell you. Like I said before, I've been in your shoes multiple times, more times than I would like. I've been in situations where people have pushed me away. I'm talking about to the point I'm thinking I'm doing something wrong, and in reality they're telling me I don't want to talk to you no more. Basically, stop talking to me, and come to find out, they wanted the complete opposite of what they were saying. And that can be a bit confusing, right? Actually, it's a lot confusing. And it just turned out that their heart was hurting. And typically the people who are closest to you go through it the most with you, and you get lashed out on, etc. So I understand your point of view. Like, I want to fix this. This person is important to me. So whatever I need to do to turn this narrative around, I'm going to do it. So you clicked on this video because you would like to know how to manifest a message from your ex or a specific person using the law of assumption or the law of attraction. I like to look at the law of attraction and the law of assumption like fraternal twins. They do the same thing. You want to bring something into your reality, either or, but we're going to talk about the law of assumption today and how to use it to get that message on your phone from your person. But first, I want to give a little motivation so you'll know what I'm telling you, it works, okay? It works for me. It works for other people. I want to read 2 testimonials that people have sent into me regarding this subject. You may have heard them before if you are one of my loyal subscribers. Someone emailed me and said, so I started using your scripting sheet to manifest a phone call from somebody who things ended on bad terms. I didn't have their number anymore because I lost my phone. I used the scripting sheet last week. Guess who was my Uber Eats delivery driver last night? I was at work, so I had to come down to meet them. We were both shocked, laughing emoji. I saw the name and I thought I was just aligned and I was going to receive a phone call. No, it was really them. They asked for my number again because they lost mine too. And my favorite one, y'all know this is my favorite one. Hey, Miss Amber, I recently bought your packet for a text or call from someone last Sunday. And let me tell you, I am shocked. It worked only 2 days after finishing it. Let me tell you how beforehand I had muted this person so I wouldn't be obsessed and let go and let the universe work its magic. I completed the full packet on Wednesday night, and I kid you not, Friday night, I received a notification from my person on my phone. Keep in mind that I muted their notifications and yet it somehow bypassed the system. Thanks, universe. And let that notification go through on my phone. Your manifestation packet is a blessing and I will be buying more. It showed me results within days. I am so thankful I invested in the packet. It helped me break the ice between me and them tremendously. Any manifestation tools that I have is going to be linked in the description box below this video. Now, to the first thing that you need to do to manifest your specific person, your ex, a friend, etc., is reprogram your subconscious mind to only think about how you want it to be. If you have not received a text or a phone call, you keep watching all these videos and we're telling you different techniques, but it has not happened even though you're trying, it is more than likely because you keep going back and forth in your mind about what the story is. And when I say that, you are trying to manifest text or call, a new beginning, right? But then you keep thinking about everything that went wrong, everything that they have already said, etc. So you're confusing yourself, you're confusing your subconscious mind, and you're confusing the universe. Which one is it? Which story do you want to go with? With the law of assumption, you have to think from the end, like you already have it. But if you're thinking from the end and then you dibble and dabble back and forth with what already happened, then of course you're not going to manifest a phone call in a timely manner that you would like. So how do you reprogram your subconscious mind? You reprogram your subconscious mind with repetition. Repetition can come in the form of affirmations, visualization, scripting, a combination of all three. But reprogramming your subconscious mind isn't a one-day thing. You have to basically create the story and keep telling yourself the story that you want to happen until your subconscious believes it. So examples of affirmations would be, I love when Jacob calls me. Jacob still calls me on a regular basis. Me and Jacob have been texting all day. I love when me and Jacob talk on the phone. And you keep telling yourself affirmations that are in alignment with what you want, in alignment with the new story. With visualizing is one of my favorite manifestation techniques. You keep visualizing the end result of what you want. So you want Jacob or Mary, DeJounte, whoever it is that's on your mind. You keep visualizing their name popping up on your phone with whatever message that you want it to say. For example, the message can say, hey, can we talk? Or, hey, are you busy? Hey, can I call you later? And you keep seeing this on your phone. And you do this over and over and over again with repetition. And you can do a combination of affirmations and visualizing and scripting. So even if you're at work or you're moving around throughout the day, right? And you don't have time to just sit down and try to manifest. I do this all the time, no matter what it is. So say your affirmations, I love when Jacob calls me. And then you visualize, pick up your phone and you visualize Jacob's name coming up across your phone. And either they're calling you or they're texting you. You see what I'm saying? It's like a 1-2 combo. I love when Jacob calls me. And then you pick up your phone and you visualize Jacob's name coming across your phone and the message or the phone call. And you can also use scripting to reprogram your subconscious mind. Like I read in the testimonials earlier in this video, someone manifested a text message within 2 days using my scripting packets. And my scripting packets are put together so you can focus for longer. The longer you're focused on something, the more your subconscious mind is marinating in the end result. Like some of the scripting packages are like 16 to 18 pages. So you can stay focused on the end result. But if you use a combination, like I said, repetition is important. Repetition, repetition, repetition. And your subconscious mind will eventually be reprogrammed. And I also want to tell you guys that everything is you pushed out. I'm sure that is not the first time that you have heard that, but everything is you pushed out. So it does not matter how this person is viewing you at the moment or the situation. It's how you are viewing the situation, how you view that person. So if you love this person and you love talking to this person, stay with that thought instead of what previously happened. But I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. I also have a video how to manifest within 24 hours. I will link it in my description box below, along with my how to manifest tools. I have a how to manifest ebook, up to 16 different guided scripting sheets, packets, raise your vibration audio, etc. If you have issues with your order, all you have to do is use the contact page on my website and I will get it to you as soon as possible.